This is the hard truth of modern naval power. European nations build some of the most advanced warships on the planet. Sleek frigates, stealthy destroyers, and quiet submarines, all engineered with world-class craftsmanship. But when stacked against the United States Navy, the balance shifts immediately. Because the reality is simple. Europe's warships are excellent, but they are not enough to defeat America's fleet. First comes the issue of scale. The United States doesn't just have a navy, it has the Navy. Its fleet is larger, more globally distributed, and supported by a logistics network that no European country, or even all of them combined, can match. When America deploys power, it does it with entire carrier strike groups. Supercarriers, cruisers, destroyers, submarines, and support ships operating as one lethal package. Europe cannot replicate that level of global reach. Then there's the defining symbol of U.S. naval dominance, supercarriers. The United States operates multiple nuclear-powered giants capable of launching full-air wings anywhere on Earth. Europe's carriers are impressive, the Queen Elizabeth class, the Charles de Gaulle, but none come close to the firepower, tempo, and sustained operations of a U.S. supercarrier. When one American carrier enters a region, it brings more combat capability than the entire navy of some European states. Doctrine is another major difference. European navies are designed for regional defense, NATO tasks, and limited expeditionary operations. The U.S. Navy, however, is built for global sea control, meaning it's structured to fight major wars in multiple theaters simultaneously. One navy protects its borders, the other shapes the oceans. Technology plays its part too. Europe excels in specific systems, sensors, anti-submarine warfare, precision missiles. But the U.S. advantage lies in integration. Aegis combat systems, satellite networking, F-35 sea squadrons, nuclear attack submarines, and global surveillance assets connect every American ship into one massive combat network. It's not ship versus ship. It's a system overwhelming an opponent before the fight begins. And finally, there's industrial capacity. Europe builds warships slowly, prioritizing quality and cost control. The United States builds entire classes at industrial scale. In a long war, at the kind fought across oceans, the nation that can replace losses wins. And that nation is the United States. European warships are modern, capable, and highly advanced. But the U.S. Navy was built for a different purpose: absolute global dominance. In the end, it's not a fair comparison. Not because Europe lacks skill, but because America designed its fleet to control the world's oceans, not merely sail them.